Alright guys, so this right here is a 2015 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you where the horn is. It's actually two of them on this vehicle, and how to replace them. So if you go over here, you can see the horn right there. Okay, so it's a horn here, and what you're gonna do first is disconnect the connector, and right here it has like a little push tab right there. You just push it in and pull off. Okay, now it has a 10mm bolt up here, and then it has a 8 right here. So you're gonna take this 8 off. Okay, take the 8 off. Just like that. And then on the 8 off, all you do is just push it forward, and there you go. That's the actual horn. And you can replace this horn. Now we're gonna take the one off of the other side too, so you can see it. I'm gonna let you get a close-up of it just in case you need to see the part number. It's got a little dirt on it. Okay. And we're going to take the other one off too. All right, so we are on the right side of the vehicle, right here where the windshield wiper reservoir tank is. And again, same way, it's a connector right here. You're gonna push this in and pull it out. Just push it in and pull the whole clip off, just like that. And with this one, you look up under the bottom of it, there is a 10mm right here. Let's see, there's a 10mm screw right here holding this in. So we're gonna get the 10mm and take this off also. All right, let's take that off. Take the whole thing out, and you just pull it off. Right here. That's all we need. A046495, and then you have this number is 007042. Guys, just to let you know, with the horns, you don't have to take the bumper off to replace the horn. If you see, you have this little splash shield down here. If you take out these hex bolts here, one's missing there, but it's one right here. Should be a T30. So it's 3 that's holding them on. Just the ones that are in the plastic, not the ones over here. The ones that are in the plastic. There's 3 here, and then there's 2 more down at the bottom by the other tire. So it is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 T30 screws. Once you take, this bottom plate off right here, see that? Once you take this bottom plate off, you can actually reach the horn on both sides. Okay. All right. J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out.